Hey, what's going on, guys? So we're back, finally back to recording. Yeah, it's been crazy, really busy over the holidays. A lot of family stuff going on, so we're just getting back into the swing of things. Got some big announcements here in this video, so stay tuned for that. But first, as you can see, the shop is completely insulated, but I think I've already updated everybody on that. But just in case you haven't, shop's all the way done now. Now, let's go to the second part here. So we have the electrical all done here on this side. We have the new electrical panel. Yeah, I gotta clean this up right here. But I ran all the 120 volt in here. So this is the room I built. The room is done now. I believe the last time I was showing everybody, this room was not complete. So the room is complete now. This is going to be like studio / repair room and gun cleaning room, and we'll get into that later. So yeah, I've ran all the 120 in here. I did all the lights. I did everything myself. So I have all these lights in the ceiling here, and these are going to be 20 amp 120 outlets here. There's going to be 2 per line, 1 2 over there, and then 1 2 over there, and and then the lights are on a separate circuit. And then I'm going to run some 240. But you can see here, this is just going to be the daily computer over here. We have my 3D printed fan deck. So this is meant to cool the hash boards while we're injecting voltage from the variable bench power supply here. And we have our multimeter here. We got obviously our tools. We have a digital microscope I still need to put together. The toothbrush to scrub the boards. I also did buy a reflow oven, so we do have a reflow oven. Bought us an old server from my old company. This has a 5900X in it with 6 terabytes of NVMe. So this is my Proxmox server, little Windows Mini PC I bought. And then this is the main hot air section here. Removing the fumes. We have our hot plate. We have our hot air gun, and then my gun cleaning kits over here. But yeah, still kind of moving in a little bit. And then I also got this free from a buddy. He didn't want it anymore because he was moving. So I decided to, he was using it for tools. I decided to use it for guns. So, yeah, I like the light and everything. That's pretty cool. So, channel announcement here. We are, okay, a couple of channel announcements. One, we're going to be changing the name of the channel. I appreciate everybody that's been hanging around with me for all these years, and yeah, we're changing. We're going to be changing the name. I don't know what to yet, but it is going to get changed. And then we are also going to be doing a lot of other content. We're going to be doing, we'll still be doing crypto mining. We'll still be doing, and we'll be doing a lot of like repairs. I actually just had my first person come through and actually had a repair done at the shop over the holidays. They reached out and I did a Z15 Pro for them. So we got that back up and running. So that was cool. But we'll also be doing guns and gun modifications and cleanings and things like that. And then we'll be doing like trucks. And then I'll also be, I'm working on building a gun range right now at my house. So it's going to be kind of like an all-inclusive, like, what am I doing every day? My wife got me this drone, this X1 hover drone that will like follow me around and zoom in and out and do all this stuff. So gonna have a lot of like new camera angles and things like that. So kind of excited for that. She got that for me for Christmas. So pretty excited about that. So yeah, we're gonna be covering lots of different stuff, working on trucks, working on quads, gun range stuff. I'm building a berm for the gun range right now. We'll still be doing crypto mining repair. I'll try to, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work out a schedule, kicking out these videos certain videos on certain days. So maybe if you guys want to watch the crypto mining ones, you can. But if you don't, if you don't want to watch the truck ones, you guys could just not watch them that day. You know what I mean? So, yeah, we're going to be doing a lot of things, a lot of new cool stuff. So I'm kind of excited. We're going to get away from just the traditional crypto mining stuff here, but we'll still do it. We'll still do crypto mining, but there's going to be a lot of other cool things out there. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So stay tuned. I don't know what the channel name's gonna be, but we're changing the name. I'm not sure yet. So there'll be some changes here, and then there'll be regular posts. I'm hoping to get this done within the next couple of weeks. It might be a month or so, but we're gonna get on a regular schedule for the rest of the year. Well, all right. For now, this is the Mining King giving you the most hashes. Until next time, guys. I'll catch you later.